Hey guys, no need for introduction because you already probably know who I am, so let's get straight into the video. And with that, today we are discussing the man who created the Big Bang Theory. No, not that one, the actual Big Bang Theory. Georges Lemaitre was a Belgian Roman Catholic priest, a physicist, and an astronomer. He was born on July 17, 1894 in Charleroi, Belgium. He went to the Collège du Sacré-Cœur, which is a French Jesuit school in Belgium. There, he got a classical education. Then, in 1914, he paused his studies in civil engineering to become an artillery officer in World War I. After the war, Georges began to study physics and mathematics, and at the same time wanted to become a priest. He got his doctorate in physics in 1920 and was ordained a priest in 1923. He then went to study modern cosmology, stellar astronomy, and numerical analysis at the University of Cambridge in England in 1924. After a year, Georges went to study even more at Harvard College Observatory and at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, otherwise known as MIT. After many more years of studying, Georges discovered a group of solutions to Einstein's equation of relativity in 1927, which suggested that the universe is always expanding. He then reported later in 1931 a homogeneous universe of constant mass and growing radius accounting for the radial velocity of extragalactic energy, which, for those of you who actually have a life, means that the universe is basically expanding at an ever-growing rate. After studying this more closely, he came up with the idea and concept that we know how the universe came to be. Georges explained that if the universe was ever growing, then at one point in time, all of the universe was compressed into a single atom called the cosmic egg. He then explained that the atom probably would have been very unstable and would eventually explode into the universe that we know today. When he originally presented this idea, many people were suspicious because he was a Catholic priest. It would only become accepted as the way the universe began a few years later in 1933. Many years later, in 1949, one of his colleagues made a sarcastic remark of the theory and referred to it as the Big Bang Theory. This is now the name of the theory. After receiving many awards and doing even more studying, Georges died on June 12, 1966, shortly after he discovered the cosmic microwave background radiation, which is a completely different thing, but the only thing you need to know about it is that it provided more evidence for his own ideas of the birth of the universe. Isn't that kind of funny? He died studying the birth of the universe. Well, that's the end of my video. I hope you all enjoyed it and learned something along the way. Have a great rest of the day, and I'll see all you dudes in the next video. Bye!